Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, ever since Uthandane's Tembu ended, and at the end of the last episode they did say ukuthi baby Mselegu has been born. Inganeka Samke was born sometime in January if I'm not mistaken. She did post a picture on her Instagram stories of her and the baby. Now yesterday there was a picture that or currently there's a picture that's circulating the social media streets. You should be seeing this picture on your screen right now where Musa is carrying the baby in the car. Now, some people say, Wuti, this is a picture or pictures that she posted on her TikTok account. I personally cannot confirm that because her TikTok account is private. And other people are saying, would you know, Wushu Samke posted this picture, WhatsApp YK, and there's some people who leaked it. Hey, manje guys, there's some people's comments that are saying, Kanti, why lengani bonele motweni? And I'm just like, for real guys, like it's looking like those type of vibes. Because I saw comments where someone was saying but abanga indodendala kanje coming to see the child emotweni. It's giving those vibes of your boyfriend or your baby daddy's coming to see the child elvini abamfunu baby daddy, so like yeah Tasha, and then you take the child out for the child or for the father to go and see the child in lean. And is giving those vibes because I don't know, maybe there's other pictures that she has or other pictures that she's posted on Lazi where Umusa's in their house kwakwela, and you know they're taking pictures, but all these pictures it kind of looks like those vibes of Umusa went to go and see Makwela and he's ubona ingani emotweni, you guys. But one thing you must know with Uthandane's Tembu, actually any reality TV show guys, people are always going to have something to say. Other people are saying kusho ukuthi namanje ugeli uMakwela akakangeni eMzumbe, because why are these pictures not being taken eMzumbe or in a family type of setup? Guys, he's Tembu lento, and Umusa Mela Inlenge if he wants to keep his family intact, Mela Inlenge. But yeah, it's just it doesn't look good. But anyway, who are we to say which it doesn't look good? Oksalayo, the guy Umusa is in Umsana, is in the child's life. He did the right thing, umlobolile. So we don't know why he's seeing the child in the car. Maybe it's just these pictures. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.